Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel on another video. This is a very special collab with the Glitter Girls and it's all about bees. Here are the supplies that I'll be using to create my set of nails for this awesome bee collab. I'll be using some foil flakes, glitters, and Kira Sky's Knight in Shining Armor. First, I'll be using iMethod Beauty's base coat to prep these little tips. Then we're gonna go in with this. So this is what the color looks like after it's cured. What's Up Nails had an amazing bee stamping plate, so I thought this was perfect for this video. I'll be using those two bees up there with their cute little honeycombs. Before every use, I always wipe down the plate with acetone. And let's get started, guys. How is everyone? Hope you all are doing well, and I'm not going to talk too much on this video. I'm just going to relax and let you guys listen to some music. And like I said, it's all about bees. So I have a list of all the girls that collaborated on this with us. So please go and check all their videos out on the playlist because everyone worked really hard and their designs are beautiful. This is one of my favorite collabs that I have been a part. So Pumpkin, thank you for letting me be a part of this. Again, you are awesome. In today's video, I will be using stamping plates, my dotting tools, my brushes, because I am going to try to do some freehand art. Now you all, I suck at art, so don't judge me too harshly. I am seriously practicing. But yes, I'll throw a little freehand art in this video for you guys. I am going to practice a lot more with that. Aren't these bees the cutest? Let me know in the comments below. Aw, didn't turn out so bad. It's cute. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. Alright you all, these are what the nails look like after the stamping and the freehand. They are a little bit more plain, so I'm going to add a little more pizzazz with some glitters and foils and brighten these little nails up. This has been my favorite clear jelly stamping polish ever. I love this color. If you guys know a good color for this 019 of clear jelly, let me know in the comments below. For a dupe, like the Sally Hansen's Insta Dries. Alright, so now we're going to take these beautiful glitter flakes, and sprinkle them over some of these nails. I am using Kira Sky's Dip Systems base as the glue resin, so the glitter foils and the foils will stick a lot better. Then after that, I will go over it with Kira Sky's No Wipe Top Coat to seal it all in. I really liked the gold foil, so I'm going to add a little on this nail as well. And here are what the nails look like after a little pizzazz. So now we are ready for the iMethod Beauty's top coat. And like I said before, I love this top coat. It's a smudge free, no wipe, and it's awesome. Everything I've used will be linked in the comments below or in the description below. Alright everybody, this is what the nails look like after you cure for 30 seconds. This is a thermal changing polish from Kira Sky, so it does pop to be white, and you see the honeycombs and the bees and the floral images way more. Let me know what you all think of this bee collaboration with the Glitter Girls. I think they turned out so cute, especially my little freehand bee. And my inspiration for that was my little kid robot, Kozik bee. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite nail was from this bee set. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today on this bee collaboration with the Glitter Girls. All of the playlists will be listed in the description below, so please check out all the girls' videos. It was amazing. I hope you all have a beautiful week. Happy Monday and be safe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.